Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jakara. Um, I wanted to talk to you real quick before I start this video to just explain kind of the direction of what I wanted this next series to be. It is going to be a deep clean and organization of my entire apartment. I'm calling it the refresh, repair, and redecorate series. So I'm starting off here in my closet. I'm on the floor. I'm sitting on a bunch of top of a bunch of dirty clothes that I need to wash. There's all kinds of clean clothes that I haven't folded or put away or done anything with since I washed them. I hardly spend any time in here anymore because I don't dress up anymore the way I used to. I used to do a lot of fashion content, and I had my wardrobe is fully stocked with clothes, and most of the time now I'm in sweats, or I don't really dress up anymore. I've realized in thinking about this series that I have been going through some major grief, and it's actually taken a toll on my body. In fact, I almost didn't start this series because I've been having such terrible back pain. Now, I know people don't like to hear about other people complaining, and that's not really what I'm here for. This series is going to be about kind of reclaiming my spaces in my home. I think I was able to kind of really keep up and do all the things I needed to do until my Pepino died in the very end of January. And then after that, I just have been neglectful. Like I said, I think I've been having a lot of grief. I mean, he was one of 5 animals that I had that have passed away in the last 2 years. And so, I don't know, that along with some other things, I guess, I just have been very neglectful of my home and cleaning my home and keeping it organized and staying on top of it. So that is what this series is going to be. I'm starting out here in my closet because I really, like I said, I want to reclaim this space and really start to enjoy dressing up again, and that is a huge part of my personality, and I have kind of let it kind of go to sleep. Not quite die, but go to sleep, and I really want to reclaim it. So let's get to organizing and cleaning this closet. All right, so there's 4 major piles. There's this pile here. There's another pile here. These are clean clothes. And then there's a pile on top of my vanity that's also clean clothes. Now these down here are dirty clothes that have to go, obviously, to the laundry. And then from there, we'll figure out what else to do. But let's start with this pile of clothes here. Because these are my favorite colors to wear here. So we'll hang up these clothes and fold them and see how far we can get. So I got this side cleaned off. I have this bag that I usually put up there. It has like all my wigs in them. I don't wear wigs like I used to. I had a whole wig wardrobe here. All lengths and sizes and colors, and yeah, I probably should purge this bag, but for now, just because I can't bring myself to go through each one right now, I'm going to just put it back up there. So let me do that. So I got one clean surface here. I got a bunch of stuff here that I need to organize, but I'd rather just stick to the clothes and then get to the little knickknacks and things and clean them off and clean off the surfaces. So on to the next pile of clothes. Okay, second surface is clean, or second part is clean. I'm gonna go rest my back for a bit, and then I'll come back and show you what I've done. I'm gonna go ahead and sort the clothes on the floor so that I can take them to the laundry room and yeah, start doing some laundry. All right, I've separated the piles into colors, separated out the colors. I'm going to start washing these clothes, but I want to tackle this area as well. Hang up these clothes, put them away, and then all I would have left is just these dirty clothes. So let's get to getting this pile cleaned up.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite.
I got all the clothes off of my vanity here. So all I have to do now is go through all this little stuff that's on there and clean it up and wipe down the surfaces. I'm going to start on the laundry though, because I do want to get all the clothes sorted before I do anything else.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it bite, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time,
right, my lovelies, that is it for this video. I think what I'm going to do is for each portion of the series, there's going to be a refresh portion, a repair portion, and then there's going to be a redecorate portion. So this has been the refresh portion of for this room. I was able to do 3 loads of laundry. One I didn't get to. I just put it in the hamper, but at least it's off the floor. Yeah, I cleaned all the major surfaces in here. So that's the refresh portion, and I decided that I'm gonna try to do 1 room a week. So this week I will probably have a couple more videos, if not just 1 video, maybe 2 more videos this week to do the repair portion and the redecorate portion for the room. I hope that makes sense. So there's 3 parts. There's refresh, repair, and redecorate. And so that was, I did what I could for today, and then I'll come back in a couple days with the next part of that. And every week I'll do a new room until hopefully my whole house is clean and I no longer am living in some type of depressive, atmosphere. So anyway, closet is back to normal and I'm pretty happy about that. Sometimes I do a purge at the, every spring or every fall, but I don't feel like I need to really purge too much this year because I haven't really bought a whole lot of stuff. And yeah, I usually just wear sweats and, and scrubs and stuff like that so that I can do my DIY projects. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you some cleaning motivation. Yeah, we'll be back for the next portion, the repair portion, because there's some things in here that I have to repair. Put it off long enough, and so we'll be doing that in the next video. I hope you come back for that. If you go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification, you'll be notified when I do upload that video. Hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. That helps with the algorithm and pushes my videos out to other people. I would love to have you back for our next video. And if you go ahead and comment down below, what room do you really need to refresh, repair, and redecorate this year? For me, it's every room in my house. But let me know down below which one you plan on doing or if there's something that you really want to get motivated to do. So anyway, I'll see you next time. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. Until I see you, take care.